prince here. Hi. Sit on prince's lap. I love a prince.
You love the prince? Does Snow White love the prince too?
Yeah. Dot dog.
Good, that's Doc. Did you like the movie Snow White, Claire?
Yeah. I'm scared again.
We won't watch it, not today. Maybe another time.
I'll bring her back home.
Yeah, the prince brings her back home. He made her all better.
I'll come watch it again.
Not right now. We just finished watching it.
I want to sleep. I'll wake up. Bring it back home.
The dwarves came back home.
Yeah.
Did they come home and they found her asleep?
Yeah.
Yeah. But then what did they do? Did they like Snow White?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This great your pet.